Once night, once a freeze cold nights, there was a monkey. There was a monkey who lived in forest. Who lived in forest. They feel very cold. They were clinging to the branch of tree. Then once monkey said, I wish a fire could a fire could hear that can give me warmth. Then a monkey saw a flock of flies tree. He that monkey caught a firefly and put on the dry leaves of tree, and he start blowing that fire will the fire will light and then burn the leaves, and worms we will get worms. He continually he continued blowing. Other monkey also join him to blowing the fire to blowing. He thought once fire will light, then then we will get warm from the fires. Then a sparrow tree came. They, then a sparrow bird came on the tree. She also lived on same tree where monkey were stay. She saw and laughed, and she said, "This is not fire. She is a firefly. She is a firefly. It is a insect. We could not fire ever through it because it is insect. But those monkey don't listens a sparrow, and he put the effort. He blowing the he had start blowing to the firefly. At the last, when they tired, they left the firefly, and they thought, this is not fire. This is not fire. Uh, the fire will not burn or light, and we won't get warm from this firefly. This is a insect only. Moral of the story: If you don't idea about something and someone have idea, so we should listen his if they are suggesting something to us. Another story I have read, we all know the Mahatma Gandhi. He was a good soul person. That's why people said Mahatma Gandhi means great souls. Mahatma Gandhi organized organizations to help poor peoples. He visited every city to collect funds for his organizations, for those organizations. One day he visited in in Odisha, and he started a speech on he start the speech on the stage. After finishing his speech, a old women's a very old woman with bent back, tattered clothing, and white hairs, shrunken skin got up, tried to meet Mahatma Gandhi, but his volunteer stopped her. But he don't give up. But he don't give up. She don't give up, and he fought with him. At last, he reached to Mahatma Gandhi. After that, he touched his feet and he took out a copper coin from his sari and he gave to treasures. Then treasure said to Mahatma Gandhi, we should return this copper coin. It is only once. Mahatma Gandhi said to treasures, no. Then treasure said, we have thousands of checks. What will happen to these coins? What will do these coins? Then Mahatma Gandhi, I know we have thousands of money, but who give you thousands of money? They earn lakhs and crores of money. Then give you thousands or two monies, but you see this woman and try to understand. She has nothing to wear proper clothes. She can also not she can also not adjust it adjust for for her food, but he don't care about she didn't care about that. She give you a coin which she had. We don't see how much money people give you. We also see that person who have nothing and they are giving how much. That was my story which I have read today from the story application.